Welcome to our Mastering Pure Variance tutorial. Today we will focus on the attributes of features in pure variance. So let's see what this is all about. An attribute in pure variance is a property assigned to a feature to provide additional information. Attributes can include details like cost, weight, performance metrics, or any other relevant data. Attributes are beneficial because they enhance feature descriptions and aid in decision making or support automated processing. They help in analyzing different configurations based on various criteria. Now let's see how to create an attribute in pure variance. So I have my feature model in pure variance already opened. Now we'll select the feature we want to assign an attribute to. So for this example, we'll choose an example child feature. We right-click on the selected feature and choose New Attribute. And now a new dialog box will appear. So we enter the attribute's name. We have already set up the string type, and now we have to input some value inside of the attribute. Now we just need to confirm it and click OK to save the attribute assigned to the feature. Attributes can be used in various ways to enhance your feature model, and you can see them easily under the feature that they've been assigned to. You can filter and sort features based on their attribute values. So this helps in quickly identifying features that meet specific criteria. Understanding the attributes will greatly help you manage your variance easily and work efficiently with your team. Soon we will go deeper into other aspects of pure variance, so until next time.